In this Wix website tutorial, let's take a look at how to change your business category of your website. So select the website that you want to change it in and go to select and edit, or just find your way to your dashboard of that website. Now on the left-hand side, we see settings, so we can click into settings, and then we need to find business info. It could be not in the same spot as mine, but click business info and that's going to get you to the right spot. Now on the right-hand side of this at the top of our business profile, it says which category matches your business. So this will help Wix suggest features and tools to fit our needs. So I've got photography portfolio in here. I can click the drop down and there's some other suggested ones, like maybe it's a food photography portfolio, but we can also just start typing in something related to our business. Maybe we have a steakhouse, so we can start typing in steak and you can actually see, oh, it's a steakhouse, or maybe it's a Japanese steakhouse or a barbecue restaurant. Maybe we have some sort of, farm business, for instance. So we could just type in farm and we can find some different options here, like a farm and garden supply manufacturer. So there's lots of different categories here. You can just kind of start typing in what your business category is and find the best one to select. And that is how you can change your business category here on Wix.